Jesus killed the devil on the cross through his own flesh. Third part of the angels was brought down with Lucifer, with the angels, the one that he deceived. Third part of the angels, Jesus killed them, the devil on the cross, and all his deceivers. Devil was penalized not to touch humanity anymore, forever and ever. Matthew chapter 26 verse 39. Jesus has drank the cup of sorrow all the way to the bottom. In the mighty name of Jesus Christ's name, it is done by the word of the Creator.